Hello and welcome to Crypto Fox. You can get all your cryptocurrency news and predictions right here. We have new videos up daily to keep you informed. That's why you should subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications so that we can inform you as soon as we have a new video up. In this video, we'll be talking about when Dogecoin can possibly reach 10 cents. Dogecoin has enjoyed a remarkable start to the year, with the minor cryptocurrency making unprecedented gains following well-publicized support from the world's richest man, Elon Musk. Doge owners are now wondering whether Dogecoin could soon hit $1. The digital token was famously conceived as a joke by its creators Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus, but some investors are now viewing the cryptocurrency as a serious investment. Express.co.uk reported that despite the enviable gains Doge has made in 2021, many experts are quick to point out that crypto remains worth very little. According to the writer's perspective, the best performing digital assets are worth far more, with Bitcoin valued at around $47,000, Ethereum worth about $1,700, and XRP trading at 52 cents during the same period. The Dogecoin price was effectively flatlining since the meme-based cryptocurrency was created in 2013. However, this all changed roughly 1 month ago, when retail traders, frustrated by GameStop restrictions, switched to cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin's subsequent rise by more than 600% since the beginning of February has been fueled by celebrities on Twitter. Lead among them is SpaceX and Tesla head Elon Musk, who's become the de facto head cheerleader for Dogecoin. But such apparent support should perhaps not be taken on face value alone. Elon Musk told chat app Clubhouse last week that he occasionally makes jokes about Dogecoin, but they're really meant to be jokes. Caden Stadelman, CDO of open-source blockchain provider Komodo, expressed concern about amateurs investing their money in markets they may not fully understand on the back of hype. He told Express.co.uk that people who are new to crypto should be cautious of celebrity endorsements. Caden said that although Elon Musk, Snoop Dogg, and other celebrities have shown support for Dogecoin, Doge climbing to $1 is unrealistic. He said that Doge could continue its climb, but oftentimes the allure will fade away for celebrities and retail investors end up holding the bag at the end. Red, an anonymous moderator of the Harvest Finance, an automatic yield farming protocol assisting traders, said it's dangerous to not conduct research before investing in volatile crypto markets. He advised that people should always do their own research before buying something, regardless of who they heard it from. He suggested questions like, why is this celebrity pitching this? Are they financially benefiting? Is what I'm buying worth anything beyond the endorsement itself? Elon loves Doge because he loves memes. Does that suddenly make it worth 8 times more than before, considering no major developments on that chain have occurred in a couple of years? Analysts at Symmetrical suggest potential investors will require a lot of nerve to put their faith in Dogecoin one day trading at $1. The analysts concluded that it's difficult to gauge longer-term forecasts, since there's no past reference point. But what they can say is that there is a momentum behind crypto as an asset. Just recently, Bitcoin peaked above $48,000, and as long as the founding father of cryptos has some strength in it, the other alternative cryptocurrencies tend to hold their own as well. In their opinion, they said that of course crypto is a volatile asset, and if we do start to see a broader deterioration in risk assets, equities, oil, and industrial metals to name a few, then it's likely there could be some spooking of the market and a sell-off in crypto happens. As of now, there's no sign of this happening though. Cryptocurrency is an asset built on sentiment and order flow in the main. It depends on who's doing the talking. Elon Musk talking about Bitcoin or Doge has a more solid fundamental basis to buy it than many other celebrities doing the same. For example, Elon has hinted at Bitcoin being a payment method for Tesla. I can't imagine if some other celebrities can say that because they may not have anything they could offer to create a reason to buy Bitcoin. Having said that, cryptocurrency is a volatile asset and is unregulated, so you need to express caution. That's not to say that volatility is a bad thing at all, but it takes some stomach to hold and to understand your own risk parameters. One thing is for certain though, Dogecoin is no longer a joke for now. All the Dogecoin tokens combined are now worth about $10 billion, climbing past the milestone and into the cryptocurrency top 10 over the weekend. Bloomberg.com also reported directly that the rally was sparked by a series of tweets from Elon Musk as well as Snoop Dogg and Gene Simmons. An overall increase in demand for crypto among investors following Bitcoin's surge to nearly $50,000 likely also helped support the recent rally in Dogecoin. Dogecoin differs from Bitcoin in that there's no hard limit on the total supply of coins. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of about 21 million coins, of which not all have been mined yet. Dogecoin, on the other hand, has more than 100 billion coins outstanding, with 5 billion new coins hitting the supply every year. Even one of the founders of Dogecoin, Billy Marcus, can't make sense of the surge in the coin he started as a joke. Marcus told the Wall Street Journal that the idea of Dogecoin being worth 8 cents is the same as GameStop being worth $325. It doesn't make sense. Dogecoin's unlimited supply cap and the bewilderment of its founder hasn't stopped investors from piling into Dogecoin, making it now more valuable than some of these companies. CNBC reported that the massive rise in Dogecoin's price that has happened recently happened after a Reddit board talked about making it the cryptocurrency equivalent of GameStop. The price of Dogecoin saw up to 800% increase on that day just within 24 hours, according to CoinGecko. While it has taken a backseat to larger cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether in recent years, its resurgence in the last few days has been down to enthusiasm from a Reddit group called Satoshi Street Bets. Like the group Wall Street Bets, which was behind the GameStop rally, Satoshi Street Bets is looking to pump up cryptocurrencies. Just recently, Dogecoin had added about $7.17 billion to its market cap or total value in 24 hours, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Its total market cap stood at $8.2 billion, making it the 9th largest cryptocurrency. One poster on Reddit claimed Doge is the crypto GME. GME is the stock ticker for GameStop. Another post suggested taking Doge to $1 a coin. The cryptocurrency has never been $1. In 2013, when it began, it was trading around 0.02 of a cent. Reddit users on the board are encouraging people not to sell and to keep pushing. Elon Musk, the Tesla founder who previously tweeted about stocks before and sent them rising, has tweeted about Dogecoin in the past and indicated in April 2019 that it was his favorite cryptocurrency. He tweeted out a picture of a magazine cover of Doge, a play on the popular fashion title Vogue. Many users on Twitter and Reddit took that to mean Elon Musk was throwing his support behind the Doge rally. One Reddit user wrote, "Mr. Musk is with us, to the moon." The situation with Dogecoin appears to be different from GameStop, however. The Reddit group Wall Street Bets appears to be pushing the narrative of buying GameStop shares in order to create pain for hedge funds that are shorting or betting against the stock. By buying GameStop shares, a so-called short squeeze is created, forcing funds to cover their losses. This pushes the stock higher. Short sellers borrow shares to sell them in order to buy them back at a lower price in the future so that they can pocket the profit. But there's no such shorting dynamic from hedge funds at play with Dogecoin. Instead, it appears a group of people are just trying to push the cryptocurrency higher to make money. One of the early posts on Satoshi Street Bets read, "Let's make Dogecoin a thing." That's it. That's the post. Such activity is not new in the cryptocurrency space and has been going on for several years, actually. In 2018, the SEC sounded the alarm on pump and dump schemes. This is when a certain cryptocurrency is hyped online and then more and more people buy. Those who are in early sell when the price goes high, but many will purchase near the top and lose money. Dogecoin hitting $1 may seem like a dream too far, but at least 10 cents still looks like a near future. However, the crypto market is a very volatile one and should be treated as such. Trades and market positions should be assumed with caution. Let's look at the Doge USD chart. This is a 4 hours Doge USD chart. In this chart, we can see that Doge is currently trading at around 6 cents. The price is currently in an ascending triangle that's illustrated on the chart using 2 yellow lines. The prediction suggests that the price of Doge will go up to hit the upper end of the triangle at around 12 cents. That's just a little above 10 cents. That price is marked with a blue horizontal line that is visible on the chart. This increase in price is expected to happen in a couple of days, as you can see from the chart. From the chart, we can see that it is possible for Dogecoin to hit 10 cents in a couple of days. However, on this channel, we always advise people to do their own research before trading. And most importantly, only use money you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also, we'd like to know what you think about this prediction and Dogecoin generally in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video.
Bye.